Some important aspects of nurturing your fashion brand profitably. There are countless fashion brands out there, and the competition is merciless. You worked so hard to launch your pilot collection, but this is just the first step towards growth. Sustainability will require serious commitment and discipline. There is no doubt you want your business to be a successful one. So here are some aspects you may want to bear in mind. You do not decide what sells, customers do. Know your audience well. Persona mapping, a potent marketing tool, can help you learn who your target audience is and what they are expecting from your products. They keep changing. What's hot now may not be when your new collection hits the market. You need good understanding of factors shaping today's fashion. How long will the current trends last? Hence, some careful planning is in order. Your creativity may know no bounds, but it's the customer who will be paying for your designs. So both the product and its price should be attractive. This means that you need to control and balance the costs. Ensure adequate quality and don't forget about profit. Only then your collection will sell. Allocate resources wisely so that you have a decent mix of tools. Combine in-store and social media marketing. Spread the word through friends and satisfied customers. Keep track of inventory. Your accuracy will help avoid mistakes. If you sell online, make sure you can fulfill all those orders. Properly handle the returns. If you make mistakes, analyze what went wrong. Learn, optimize, evolve. Maintain good relations with your suppliers. Make sure that doing business with you is a pleasure. This will translate into quality, timeliness, and reliability. Keep in touch with your customers. Collect feedback, find ways to reward loyalty, and work towards great customer experience. Our team at smcfashion.com wishes you every success in your business.